Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi. Hopefully everybody's well. Not going to be a picking video this evening. I'm going to try and get this game on camera tonight again. Like I said yesterday, my best time was 25 minutes on it, so that's a tough lot, guys. But I'm going to try it again this evening. But this first video that I'm going to do tonight is not going to be a picking video. So I came home tonight from the hospital, and this giant box was on my porch. And it's from, I just can't see the name. Maybe if I get closer here. Southampton Picking Club. I couldn't imagine what they would be sending me in such a big box, but then I read it, and it says Bacardi wall-mounted light. I actually have a really cool bar neon, Bacardi bar neon. So let's get in here and see what it is. I want to light it up and show you guys. And Southampton Picking Club, I can't say thank you enough, guys. That's just an awesome gift. Awesome thought. It just blows my mind, the kindness in this community, guys. From everybody. Oh, that is cool. Wait till I get that out of there. There's a little package here. We'll see what that is off the camera real fast in a minute. But I got to get this out and plug him in. That is friggin' awesome. Southampton Picking Club, I can't say thank you enough. Oh, it even comes with anchors. That is so cool. And he had messaged me to get my address and said that they had found something that they thought I would like. That is really, really cool. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't even show it to you guys. Here, check it out. Let's see if you can even see that there. It's the Bacardi bat, my logo. Oh, it's too far back now. I can bring it in a little closer for you. That is really, really cool. I'll wipe that off real good, clean it up. Let's put that back on the side. Ooh, I'm not going to be able to light this up right now because it's 220. So I'll have to get a converter. Yep. See the outlet, it's a 220 outlet. And then this guy just plugs right on the bottom of here, looks like to me. This way. Maybe they can make it go a little bit of shipping or something. Okay, one's got like a D on it, one's got, okay, I see. Yeah. Ooh. I might have pushed that in a little too far there. Okay, but that is really, really cool. Palmer Promotional Productions. That is really, really, really cool. I'm blown away by this. Oh, you know what I could do? I have an electric water tank right here, guys, that runs the garage here. I could just come right out of the other side of there with a 220 line right here because it's 220. Yeah, I could just do that. I just have to find the right outlet for this. Okay, I'll have my electrician friend come over the weekend. And I'm probably going to mount it right over here somewhere. Somewhere like this. That is really, really cool, guys. I can't say thank yous enough. Really. That is just awesome. Amazing. Again, the generosity of this community, guys. It's unbelievable. Okay, I have a letter here. Let me read this real fast off camera. And there's something else in here in this letter. Oh, cool. Very cool. So they sent me some of their stickers, Southampton Picking Club, and a really awesome keychain. Check that out. Very cool. I'll have to find somewhere to put this. I'll probably put it right here in my toolbox. In my Henry box there. Okay, it says... It says, Dear Bill, just a little something we found at our local pub, the Titanic. After talking with the landlord, getting rid of this, he agreed. After telling him about your fantastic channel, he kindly let us have this, so as forwarded on to you. It's currently on UK mains power, however works perfectly and would need swapping to your US supply. Nevertheless, if you can, we just thought you might like it for your channel and be something a little different from a lock package to help brighten your day, sir. Man, I need some brightening right now, let me tell you guys. Many thanks for all you do for this community, my friend, and no need whatsoever to send us anything in return. Hope this arrives safely, and mainly, thanks again. Best wishes, kindest regards. Southampton Lock Picking Club. That is just awesome, guys. Thank you so much, fellas. I really, really appreciate that. And like I said, I do need a little brightening. My relative's still in the hospital. They're really not much changing right now. But we'll see what happens. We're looking on the bright side. So thank you, everyone, for all your kind words and all of your well wishes. I'm actually going to get up into the house right now and get all the rest of those comments answered on them videos right now. And then I'm probably going to come back down and see what I can do with this guy again tonight. But anyway, everyone, thank you for all your support, all your kind words, like I said, all your well wishes. Southampton Picking Club, I can't say thank you enough, brother. That is really awesome. Very, very cool. Okay, everyone, thank you. Thanks for stopping in. It's just going to be a really fast video. I'm just going to put it up as an awesome package opening. Thanks, everybody, for sticking in there. And have a great evening, everyone. Thank yous.